Hello and welcome to Matt's Horticulture channel. We have a very special first video for this channel. We're going to be growing Dahlias Bishop of Llandaff. The first thing you want to do in a garden centre is check that the tubers are not soft, and you should be ready to go. They flower from July to October, so if you're looking for that long-lasting display, dahlias are definitely worth considering. So for me, this is the first time I'm planting dahlias, and I'm going to get them started inside this year and wait for the last frost at least to plant them out. So what I'm going to do is use some of last year's old compost. That is absolutely fine at this stage because I don't intend to plant them straight out. What you want to make sure is the crown or the stem is actually above ground. And there we have it, all ready to go. I'm just going to take them inside, I'm going to pop them in a windowsill and we'll see how they get on. Cheers for watching.